Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. Today I'm back for another fun collab with MelyD. So in the last collab video we did just black and white and we did our own thing, our own techniques. If you guys didn't see that video, check it out. I'll post a link in the description. But MelyD is an amazing Canadian artist, and one of the things I know her best for is her puddle pours. So I'm going to try that today. And we are doing another collab where we're both using the same colors. We're both using black, white, and yellow only. And we're going to actually do a whole fun series of these like simple is best color schemes, which is, like I said, one of the things I know her channel for. Anyways, I'm using the Arteza pouring colors. Not going to lie, I do need to have a paint mix day. So, and then this is a 10 by 20 canvas, and I'm going to attempt a puddle pour. So hopefully I can get something even half as good as hers. So I'm going to do, let's see, black, yellow. I'm using two different yellows. I wanted to use this, just this mid yellow, but I'm already out of it, so oh well. Okay. So the other yellow that I'm going to use is the lemon yellow. All right, and basically I'm going to just have a whole series, whoops, that one's already empty, of puddles here. And I'm going to go back and forth between the colors. So this one has the, white and black. This one now has the black and the yellow. So I'm going to add a little bit of white to this one. And then the next color on this one is going to be black. And next color on this one's going to be yellow, of course. And then I'm going to do these again until I have enough paint on here. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this part up. And I'm going to pour a bit more slowly because I don't want the colors to mix too much. But here we go. Okay, it's really hard to keep track of the sequence. I might not have stayed in a perfect sequence, but I think that's good. And I'm going to go ahead. I have some blank space here. I want to make sure I have enough paint. So over here, I'm going to throw a bit of white around. And then over here, I'm going to throw a little bit of black around. So definitely going for this side being more dark and this side being more light. And then we tilt in just a second. Okay, moment of truth, here we go. So there's no right or wrong way to tilt. You can keep your puddles as intact as you want or stretch them out. Okay, I definitely had plenty of paint here. All right, I'm gonna run it off a bit this way. There we go. I actually really like that. Once again, Mely is the puddle pour queen. Oops, as far as I'm concerned. She has done some really epic ones. But I think I did okay on this one. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, of course. So we'll let this sit for a little bit, see if anything else moves around, develops, and then we'll do our close-up. Okay, so this paint is not known to move around too much, or definitely doesn't usually sell up. So let's go ahead and do our close-up, and then we will also come back when it's dry. All right, so this is the right-hand side. This one's definitely very abstract, I guess modern art. Not my usual style at all, but a lot of fun, and I actually really like how it came out. It's very simple, clean lines, colors not mixed, you know. And there you go. Okay guys, so I'll see you back here when this is all dry. Alright guys, here's our piece totally dry. So it really didn't change much. You can see a little bit of green around the edges where the black and yellow overlapped, but otherwise colors stayed really true, lines stayed really true. I think it looks pretty cool, definitely not my usual, but I like it. So make sure you go check out MelyD's channel and her video for this collab. Link will be in the description, and we'll see you next time.